Hello everyone, I am Nahid and today in this video I am going to discuss about the saving tips for the retirement. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So before your retirement, the number one thing you should do, that is you should think about and you should decide about your retirement age. Number second thing you must do, that is you should start savings money as early as possible. Number third thing you can do, that is if your employer offers you provident fund, then you should take the opportunity of provident fund. Number fourth thing you should do, that is you should invest your money wisely. You should not invest your money anywhere. You should invest your money on those things where profit or return must be come. As for example, you can invest your money in bonds and in real estate where profit must be come. Number fifth thing you can do, that is you can spend less money as much as you can. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.